Well, a new report from the American Lung Association reveals millions of Americans, including more than 1 million children right here in the Commonwealth, are breathing unhealthy air. We break down the findings and what you need to know to stay safe.
Well, it's a beautiful day to be outside and catch some fresh air. However, a new study highlights that the air we breathe continues to be a growing concern. As part of Earth Week, the American Lung Association released its 2026 State of the Air report. The headline, nearly half of all Americans live in counties with failing air quality. Local results show the Harrisburg-York-Lebanon area received failing grades in all three categories and dropped from a D to an F for ozone. Dauphin County was also one of only 20 counties nationwide to fail all three measures: ozone, daily pollution spikes, and year-round average pollution levels. Lancaster County ranked 19th worst in the nation for short-term particle pollution, averaging more than 8 unhealthy air days each year.
One bad air day can be one bad air day too many if you're a person who's in one of the at-risk groups.
Kevin Stewart with the American Lung Association warns these failing grades are more than just data. They are red flags for anyone who falls in the sensitive population.
Child, you're a senior citizen, you're somebody who is in the group of people with asthma, chronic bronchitis, cardiovascular disease. Those groups in the population, which amount to about half the population, are at increased risk or more vulnerable.
Since the data in the report covers 2022 to 2024, a major factor behind our failing grades comes from the impact we saw from Canadian wildfire smoke during the summer of 2023. However, Stewart says whether it's factory smoke or a forest fire, the damage to your lungs is just the same.
Right, there are some folks who say, oh, well, you shouldn't count those days because we couldn't do anything about it. It was from 1,000 miles away. Lungs don't care where the air pollution is coming from. The lungs are going to experience their health impact.
Communities are urged to protect themselves when air quality worsens. Air quality alerts are issued through the Air Quality Index. A code orange alert means unhealthy for sensitive groups. Red or above means unhealthy for everyone.
We want everyone to be paying attention to air quality, know what it's going to be like before you go outdoors to exercise or do heavy work, or to send your kids outside to play. That's something we want people to know about.
And when air quality worsens in central PA, Fox 43 will also issue weather impact alerts and health tips to protect sensitive groups. For a full breakdown on the State of the Air report, you can visit fox43.com.